Hari Om students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by your government for road safety. You practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel. Always you remember it. Then what is the meaning of today's song is saying? Do the best and leave the rest. നമ്മൾ ഏതൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും നമ്മളുടെ കഴിവിൻ്റെ പരമാവധി അത് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. എത്രയും നന്നാക്കാൻ പറ്റും അത്രയും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നമ്മളത് ചെയ്യുക. അതിൻ്റെ ഫലത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ ആഗ്രഹിക്കേണ്ട, അത് നമുക്ക് തനിയെ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഫലം കിട്ടിക്കോളും. നമ്മളുടെ പ്രവൃത്തി, നമ്മളുടെ ജോലി എന്താണ്? നമ്മളുടെ കർത്തവ്യങ്ങൾ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നിർവഹിക്കുക. ഇപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കുന്ന കാര്യമാണെങ്കിൽ, ഇപ്പോൾ സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന പാഠങ്ങൾ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ പഠിക്കുക. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഗുണം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തായാലും ഭാവിയിൽ അത് പ്രയോജനപ്പെടും. അപ്പം നമ്മളുടെ കർത്തവ്യങ്ങൾ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. എത്രയും ഭംഗിയാക്കാൻ പറ്റും അത്രയും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നമ്മുടെ കഴിവിൻ്റെ പരമാവധി ശ്രമിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ടുഡേ വി ക്യാൻ സ്റ്റഡി ഹൗ ടു റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ദ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഓൺ ദ നമ്പർ ലൈൻ. In 7th standard you studied the number line, how to represent the numbers on the number line. This is the number line and this 0. Then the right side we are writing positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. In the left side of the 0 we write negative numbers. So the left side we are writing negative numbers, and the right side we are writing positive numbers. Then we can represent the rational numbers also in the number line. We can study how to represent rational numbers on a number line. For example, 3 by 6. Then we divide this into each point as 1 by 6. Take each point as 1 by 6th part. Then what is the second part? 2 by 6. Then what is the third part? 3 by 6. Then what is the we can represent 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is here. This is 3 by 6. So 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3. Here equal parts of 1 by 6. Here the distance is 1 by 6. This distance is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. That is 2 by 6. You take each part as 1 by 6. So first we write 1 by 6, then 2 by 6, then 3 by 6. So we represent this 3 by 6 on the number line. Then the next one is minus 5 by 7. Here we can divide this into 7 equal parts. So you can draw the line here, then 0. Then shown is the minus 5 by 7 is in the right side or left side of the number line. Here this negative side. Negative numbers are on the left side of the 0, and positive numbers we are representing positive numbers on the right side of 0. So here it is negative 5 by 7. So it is in the left side of 0. So first we take minus 1 by 7. Then next is minus 2 by 7. Next is equal distance. You take equal distance. Then it is minus 3 by 7. It is minus 4 by 7. Then it is minus 5 by 7. So we represent, this is the point. This point is minus 5 by 7. So to represent minus 5 by 7 we take, first we take 1 by 7. Then equal distance we take minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7. Then next is minus 5 by 6. Here we take how many parts? Is it in the left side or right side? This number is on the left side because it is the negative number. So we write 0 here. Then first one is minus 1 by 6. Next is minus 2 by 6. Next is minus 3 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. And the next is minus 5 by 6. So this is the point. So we represent minus 5 by 6 on the number line. So the number line, you remember that the right side of 0 we are representing positive numbers, and the left side of 0 we are representing negative numbers. So here 3 by 6 means we take equal parts as 1 by 6 difference. Then 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. The right side because it is positive number. Then minus 5 by 7 is equal to First we take minus 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7. Then next is minus 5 by 7. So here this point is minus 5 by 7. Then what is the next one? Minus 5 by 6. Here first we take minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6. Then last is minus 5 by 6. So what is the point here? Now this point is minus 5 by 6. So you remember it. So while you are drawing a number line, you mark positive numbers on the right side of the 0 and negative numbers on the left side of 0. You remember it. Okay. Next we can study how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. First an example. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Here the numbers are 2 by 3 and 4. First what we do is first we convert the rational numbers in the same denominator. We can multiply by any number but the same, convert it into same denominator. 2 by 3. If you multiply it by 5, 3 into 5. If you multiply a number in the 3 denominator by 5, we have to multiply the numerator also by 5. So otherwise the value of the rational number will change. So if we multiply 3 into 5 in the denominator, then the numerator also you multiply by 5. Then it is equal to 10 by 15. Then what is the next number? 4 by 5. Here also we convert it into 15. First you convert the rational numbers in the same denominator. Then it is equal to 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 3. Then the numerator also 4 into 3. That is 12 by 15. Here you are asked to find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. If you are asked to find 3, then it is okay. Then after 10 by 15, 11 by 15, 12 by, only one number, 11 by 15. Then you are asked to find 5 rational numbers. To find more numbers, the easy method is you multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. Then this will become 10 by 15 is equal to 10 into 10 by 15 into 10. That is equal to 100 by 150. Then 12 by 15 is equal to 12 into 10 by 15 into 10. That is equal to 120 by 150. 120 by 150. So this 10 by 15 will become 100 by 150. And then 12 by 15 is equal to 120 by 150. Then we can find rational numbers between this 100 by 150 and 120 by 150. Therefore, the rational numbers between the 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 is, the 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 is same as, we convert it to same denominator and multiply by 100. Then both the numbers are same. 2 by 3 and 12 by 100 by 150 both are same, and 4 by 5 and 120 by 150 both are same. Therefore, what are the numbers between 100 and 150 by 120 by 150 is 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150, 104 by 150. Then we are asked to find 5 rational numbers. Then one more, or 105 by 150. So you can take any number between 100 by 150 and 120 by 150. The numbers are 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150. If you are asked to find 10, then the 106, 107, 108, etc. Okay. So the numbers between 100 and 120 are the numbers. So 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150, 104 by 150 and 105 by 150. So to find 5 rational numbers, first we convert it into same denominator and multiply by 100. If you are asked to find more numbers, then you multiply by 100 100 or 1000, etc. It is very easy. Then we can find more numbers between these rational numbers. Okay, you remember it. So first, the method is first you convert the rational numbers into same denominator. Okay, and find the number of rational numbers between this 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay. Next question, find 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Here also first we convert into same denominator. 3 by 5 we can multiply by 4. 5 into 4. And numerator also you multiply by 4. Then it is equal to 12 by 20. Then second one, 3 by 4 is equal to 3 into, here we can multiply by 5. 3 into 5 by 4 into 5. That is equal to 15 by 20. So, first we convert the rational numbers into same denominator. First, the first denominator we multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. Then 3 into 4 is 12, 5 into 4 is 20. The second one we multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. So it is equal to 3 into 5, 15, 4 into 5, 20. 15 by 20. Then we can multiply by 100. So 12 into 10, multiply by 10. 20 into 10. That is equal to 120 by 200. Second one, 15 into 10 by 20 into 10. That is equal to 150 by 200. So first we convert the rational numbers into same denominator and then we multiply by 10. So we got two rational numbers, 120 by 200 and 150 by 200. So to find 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4, you find the rational numbers between 120 by 200 and 150 by 200. So the 6 rational numbers, 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 are, here 3 by 5 is equivalent to 120 by, both these numbers are same. 3 by 5 and 120 by 200 both are same. Similarly 3 by 4 and 150 by 200 both are same. So to find the numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4, we have to find the numbers between, rational numbers between 120 by 200 and 150 by 200. Then what are the numbers? Say 6 numbers. 121 by 200, 122 by 200, 123 by 200. Parthasarathy, what is next? 124 by 200. One more. Madhavas. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 125 by 200. Rohit. 126 by 200. So we got 6 numbers. You can get more numbers. Here you are asked to find only 6 numbers. So you write only 6 numbers. So the 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 are 121 by 200, 122 by 200, 123 by 200, 124 by 200, 125 by 200 and 126 by 200. So to find rational numbers between two rational numbers, first we convert the rational numbers into same denominator and multiply by 100. It is the easy method to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and Hari Om.